in this lecture, we're going to create the strip, this time for the grass and not for the road. So, first of all, let's create a new prefab. I want you to stay in the strips folder, right click and do create prefab. Alright, and name it strip grass. Alright, so that would just be grass for now. And next thing you want to do is create this strip for the grass. So go to the grass folder and you will see the grass block. I want you to drag and drop this within the hierarchy. And here it is. So we don't want it to be this way. We want to rotate it to the y-axis and rotate it by 90 degrees. All right. So write 90 degrees. Make sure you have the grass block selected. All right. And that's exactly what we want here. Now it's a little bit too wide, so we're going to make it a little bit smaller. So I'm going to go on scale for the, I believe that's going to be the x-axis. No, I'm sorry, that's not the x-axis. Then it's going to be the z-axis. Yes. So play with the z-axis so that it kind of matches what you see on the road. Okay. So I guess 0.6 will do just fine. All right. Now that we've done that, we're gonna also take the z-axis, I'm sorry, the y-axis, and put it a little bit below, so that we still see it, but it's not too high above. All right. So play with that so that it starts to appear as you go up. All right, and that will do. Now, what we're gonna do is move this all the way to the end of one edge. All right, perfect. That will do. Now, what I want you to do is create an empty game object to create the prefab. So go ahead and do game object, create empty. And we're going to call this one strip grass. All right, and take the grass block, drag and drop it inside of the strip grass. All right, now duplicate the grass block so that you can fill all the way there. So press Command D or Control D on a PC and just rename them. Okay, so there's going to be 002 and move it so that it just touches the extremity. Then Command D to duplicate it, and it's going to be 003. Again, move it. By the way, you can press the shortcut F to zoom in or double click on it right here. If you double click, you can go there and then you can use your mouse, the right and left mouse button to zoom in and out, all right? Or the middle mouse, depending on your settings. Now let's duplicate this two more times. So I'm just going to press Command D and rename that 4 and do the exact same thing, which is moving it this way. All right. And one last time, Command D for duplicating, renaming it again to 5 and moving it. All right, so that will do. Now what we're going to do is create the prefab out of this. So go to your strips folder and drag and drop the strip grass to the strip grass prefab. As soon as you do this, the prefab changes. Excellent. Now click on the strip grass and move it after the road. But what you want to do is not to move it too far away. You want them to be touching. But since it's a smart way, you want to go above the gray lines here. Okay, you see these guys, the gray strip lines? You want to go on top of it so that you don't see them. Now if you go to the game, you will see that you see now 2 sides of the road and 1 strip for the grass. That's exactly what we want. All right, see you guys in the next lecture.